You want this portion?
Tissue.
Super. For me also now. Thank you. Listen, the employment and the salary component has become very minimal. So that is why in the matter of alternate profession you can give, and once they get trained the Green Trends Academy, they can establish and they can also become an entrepreneur. So it's more of a skill training அப்படின்றத விட ஒரு entrepreneur ஆகிறதுக்கான convenience இந்த academy create பண்ணி கொடுக்கிறதுல I really wish all those who are trained here, they turn to be not only the professional, they turn to be an entrepreneur. So then they can establish their own kingdom by this academic orientation. So I wish everyone and the academy great success. Thank you.
Industry. The salon industry is growing in double-digit growth. So what has been driving this growth in the last couple of years is the need to look good, look presentable is been increasing, and across categories we are seeing the younger population. India is a country with a lot of young population, and since they are the biggest consumers of the market, the need to look better, groom better across all categories is growing. And what better place to make you look good other than salon? So with the industry growing in double-digit growth, an equal opportunity is there for manpower, because every salon is operated by skilled manpower. And even if you look at Green Trends as a brand with close to 400 salons and about 4,000 plus people working, there's a huge need for manpower. So an academy as a business and salon as an industry, both are going to grow hand in hand. With the salon business growing in double digits and the need for manpower growing, there's a huge opportunity for an academy to be a place where it will create entrepreneurs who will probably go out and become standalone beauticians or stylists, or they will feed the need for the salon business. So I'm not only talking about Green Trends. Any professional salon coming into the market needs manpower, and the academy will be a point of source for recruitment. So within the division, within Kevin Care's Trends division, we have two businesses which are contributing to the growth of the organization, and within India as a market, with the salon business growing, both these divisions would have a very strong future, and this is going to be also opening up a huge opportunity for youngsters who are looking at alternate careers rather than going into working in IT sector or an engineer or doctor. This gives an opportunity for them to develop their artistic skills and also make good money, because this is a high paying industry as well. So thank you once again, and Mr. Naveen Wood, who heads the academy, would give you a more detailed insight on how this business is a huge growth opportunity for them.
I'd like to welcome Mr. Karthik, being the first franchisee of Green Trends Academy. Even though we have 3 academies, two in Tamil Nadu, one in Odisha, and coming up many, but always first, give a special applaud. So I welcome and wish him all success in this academy. Now the question is, why this academy? Green Trends, known to be a key player in the market over 2 decades, and after having Green Trends which expanded across India, why this academy? See, basically when we are running the business, we always have seen or observed one thing is that there's a huge short of manpower, okay, and more than huge short of manpower, there are the manpower who are half skilled, or their approach is traditional approach. I mean to say, most of the people has come either from the this industry background or say barber background, or they have stayed in a small beauty parlor where infrastructure facilities are not available. So having seen all those things over 2 decades, we realize it is the high time that as a key player in this industry and from the corporate background, we should serve the industry. Okay, and no, there are education systems wherever these industry education systems wherever it is available. No, either they don't have the proper facilities or don't have the proper curriculum. As a result, when they are passing out, they are not able to do good in the on the floor, and also not because of their half skill, they are also not getting good salary. Okay, as a result, this industry is not being promoted, and as a result, no, they are also not finding this industry to be suitable. But as Deepak said, in 2000, the industry was around 600 crore, the beauty industry, and pre-pandemic in 2020, it was 98,500 crore industry, grooming industry. So this itself says that the data itself says how much industry is being grown over 2 decades time. So basic idea for us to make this young generation or whoever wanted to grow up in this industry, having wanted to get exposed in this industry, to prepare them from the beginning, grassroots level, give them proper education and proper education with scientific approach, and make them ready for the future. Okay, so this is the basic idea of doing this business and opening this academy. And as long as student is concerned, see, any students, any education system, the system will help you to learn better, and it is up to you how disciplined you are, how much you are dedicated towards the course you are going through, how much time you are giving towards that will make yourselves to be complete in the industry. Okay, so it is the rombo important that you should learn this thing properly, give your proper time, be disciplined, be dedicated on what you are doing. Okay, because you all are grown children, grown up, or young children, parents are not here to teach you or tell you every day what are you doing, what are you doing. It is up to you to observe all those things and make sure that you are getting out the best. Okay, so discipline and dedication is what is utmost requirement or expecting from all of you. Okay, we are here to facilitate all the facilities, whatever we have. We are also ready to take you guys to our salon, Green Trend Salon, which is #1 chain in across India, to get a job there. Okay, and as long as tenure is considered, they are well trained, and they are also well trained, and they are also well skilled to teach you what is.
We are seeing a tremendous growth opportunity, which you could expect in the next scale of 5 to 7 years, and we are seeing a big number of students who are looking for a career opportunity in this kind of a domain, and we wanted to ensure like the skills which is being recommended or which is being used in the industry to be observed, and our candidates should be getting into best of these salons in the industry, and also to become better professionals by themselves. That is a key focus which we are looking in for. And thanks a lot in terms of for Green Trends on a whole as a family, they've given us a first level of opportunity for us to showcase our skill sets to develop our business within this location. And thanks a lot for my team members who have been with us for last almost many years, who have been supporting and guiding us for taking this opportunity. Thanks a lot, and thanks a lot for everyone.
என்னோட பேர் தீபக் பிரவீன், நான் க்ரீன் ட்ரெண்ட்ஸ் சலூனோட சிஓஓ. இன்றைக்கி வந்து எங்களோட க்ரீன் ட்ரெண்ட்ஸ் அகாடமியோட இனாக்ரேஷனுக்கு வி ஆல் அசம்பிள் ஹியர். அகாடமி எதுக்கு அப்படிங்கிற ஒரு கேள்வி வந்து இந்த டிஸ்கஷனில் வந்துச்சு. ஸோ ஒரு பெர்ஸ்பெக்டிவ் கொடுக்கணும்னா, இந்தியன் சலான் இண்டஸ்ட்ரி பார்த்திங்கன்னா ஆல்மோஸ்ட் இட்ஸ் 10,000 crore, அதாவது இந்தியன் சலான் பியூட்டி அண்ட் வெல்னஸ் இண்டஸ்ட்ரின்னு பார்த்திங்கன்னா இட்ஸ் ஆல்மோஸ்ட் 10,000 crore இண்டஸ்ட்ரி. அண்ட் இது வந்து ஒரு 30% க்ரோத்தில் இன்றைக்கி கரண்ட்டாக க்ரோ ஆகிட்டுருக்கு. அது இல்லாமல் ஆல்மோஸ்ட் ஒரு 65 லட்சம் சலான்ஸ், ஆர்கனைஸ்ட் அண்ட் அன்ஆர்கனைஸ்ட், இந்தியாவில் எஸ்டிமேட்டட் சலான்ஸ் இருக்குது. அண்ட் க்ரீன் ட்ரெண்ட்ஸ்னு எடுத்துக்கிட்டாலே 400+ சலான்ஸ் இருக்குது. ஸோ ஒரு சலானில் ஒரு 10 ஸ்டைலிஸ்ட் அப்படின்னு நீங்கள் எடுத்திங்கன்னா கூட எங்ககிட்டே வந்து ஒரு ஹியூஜ் டீம் ஆஃப் பீப்புள் ஆர் ஒர்க்கிங். ஓகே ஸோ ஒரு 30% மார்க்கெட் க்ரோ ஆகும்போது வாட் டஸ் த மார்க்கெட் நீட் த மார்க்கெட் நீட் ஸ்கில்டு மேன் பவர் அண்ட் பிஸ்னஸ் க்ரோ ஆகும்போது அதுக்கேற்ற மேன் பவர் சப்ளை பண்ணக்கூடிய ஒரு இடம் வந்து அகாடமி. ஸோ க்ரீன் ட்ரெண்ட்ஸ் வந்து ஒரு சலான் பிஸ்னஸ் அண்ட் கெவின் கேரோட பிராண்ட் அண்ட் கெவின் கேரோட இன்னொரு பிராண்ட் க்ரீன் ட்ரெண்ட்ஸ் அகாடமி. ஸோ இது ரெண்டுமே வந்து மோர் இன்டர்னலி எங்களுக்கு நாங்கள் க்ரோ ஆகும்போது ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் கொடுப்பாங்க அண்ட் ஆஸ் அன் இண்டஸ்ட்ரி க்ரோ ஆகும்போது we will also be feeding the industry and Kevin Careங்கிறது is known for quality. ஸோ எல்லாமே ப்ராசஸஸ் படி தான் we operate our salons. Similarly Green Trends Academy also will be changing the way in the industry is. எல்லாமே ஒரு ஸ்ட்ரக்சர்ட் கோர்ஸ் மெட்டீரியல். இன்னைக்கு வேர்ல்ட்லேயும் இந்தியாவிலையும் இருக்கிற பெஸ்ட்டு syllabus will be bought in. Pricing of the courses will be very very affordable. ஹேண்ட்ஸ் ஆன் ப்ராக்டிஸ் வந்து ஒரு பெரிய ஒரு பார்ட் ஆஃப் ஆர் சிலபஸ் இருக்கும். அண்ட் ஃபைனலி பிளேஸ்மெண்ட் நீங்கள் படித்து முடித்த பிறகு தேர் இஸ் அ ஹியூஜ் ஆப்பர்ச்சுனிட்டி ஃபார் ஜாயினிங் க்ரீன் ட்ரெண்ட்ஸ் இட் செல்ஃப். நாங்கள் ஆல்மோஸ்ட் ஒரு 60 cities அக்ராஸ் இந்தியா இதில் இருக்கோம். ஸோ ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ்க்கு இங்கே படித்தவங்க இந்தியாவில் நாங்கள் எங்கெங்கே இருக்கோமோ அங்கே ஜாயின் பண்ணுறதுக்கு தேர்ஸ் அ ஹியூஜ் ஆப்பர்ச்சுனிட்டி. ஸோ this is a future business and யங்ஸ்டர்ஸ்க்கு இன்றைக்கி ஒரு ஆல்டர்னேட் கரியர் தேடுறவங்க இல்லை நான் வந்து இந்த ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் சேல்ஸ்லேயோ இல்லை ஒரு மார்க்கெட்டிங்லேயோ இல்லை இன்சூரன்ஸ் சேல்ஸ்மேனோ அந்த மாதிரி ஆகணும்னு விருப்பப்படாதவங்களுக்கு க்ரியேட்டிவாக ஒரு ஃபீல்டில் என்டர் ஆகணும்னு ஆசைப்படுறவங்களுக்கு beauty business is a huge opportunity and an academy like Green Trends will satisfy their dreams. So looking forward for Green Trends Academy being a huge success for Kevin Care, similarly to Green Trends Salon brand as well. Thank you.